Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, first of all, I wanted to wish you happy new year each and every one. Friends, today is a very important day for all of us. So today at Online Study for You, we are going to launch the app Online Study for You. Friends, this app will have lot of free materials. So we will be providing you Wipro NLTH previous years complete solution. Okay, PDF material will be available. Then TCS NQT 2020 examination questions and answer, and then we will be also providing you pseudocode and programming materials. Okay, so TCS NQT coding materials will be there and aptitude materials will be there. Okay, then Wipro NLTH same thing, and more coding materials will be also available, and with lot of free videos available on our app. So friends, what you have to do is you just have to open Google Play Store on your mobile, and then you have to search for Online Study for You. Okay, now friends, once you click on that, then you can see, so our app is here, Online Study for You. You must be remembering the symbol, and once you go inside, then definitely you have to install it. And friends, at some point of time, if you think you have got benefited from Online Study for You, then do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel. And friends, now what you will be doing is, so now you are going to log into the app, right? Okay, so you can open the app, friends. Very good. Okay, so this is our official logo, and then you have to use the mobile number which you are going to use. So 80884527760. So this is our official mobile number, and then you have to put the OTP here. So friends, the OTP is, you have to put the OTP, okay, and then you have to verify. Okay, so after that, one stop solution, you can see this is our Online Study for You app. Okay, and get started. Now, so you have to put your name here. So I'll put my name, Pratik. Okay, and then, okay, then you can put the email ID. Okay, so Online Study Pratik. Okay, I'll put 20 at gmail.com. Okay, now you'll have to register. Okay, now you'll have to register. So once you register, friends, then you can see, yeah, so this will open to you. Okay, so a lot of courses will be available here now. So you can see this is your profile, this is our organization code, study material is there, edit profile, payment setting, and how to use the app. So friends, there is a premium feature for the student. So if you are a premium member, if you have bought any material, then you will be able to download it, and then you will be able to watch that. So this will be downloadable only in your app, so you will not be able to download in your device. Okay, so you can download only in the app. And friends, now you can see, so if you click on study material, then we have the free study material and free study material videos, and PDF is there. So here you can see TCS NQT 2020 asked questions and PDF, and then numerical ability questions. Okay, and then 18 slot and 19 slot and pseudocode. So many more PDF material free will be also added. Okay, and then friends, these are the free video material. Now if somebody want to buy the premium materials, and friends, there is 75% discount is there because of this new year. Okay, so you will be getting 25% discount on each of the courses. So these are our premium courses, friends. So if you click on that, then you can see this is a premium courses, and the price is 1538. But on new year, we are giving you the new year offer, so coupon code available. So if you use this coupon, friends, so view, so 75% discount, and if you apply, then 1500 course will become only for 384 rupees. So friends, this offer is only there for 1 day. That means only on 1st of January till 12 p.m. this offer is there. And friends, once you become a premium member, then you will be able to watch the video, you will be able to download the video, and you won't get any kind of problems like getting stuck in between, or there is a full screen is not happening. So all those problems you won't be facing. And friends, so once you buy the courses, then you can have a chat with the tutor directly. So whatever problem comes, you will be directly able to chat with that. Okay. And friends, so whoever buys these courses, so suppose some 100 people buy the same course, then all the 100 people will be there in this batches, and definitely you can discuss the questions among yourself. You can discuss the questions with your um, educator, right? And here all your details will be available, friends. So whatever details you put, and friends, this is the materials. You can check out all our materials available. Okay, so recommended for you, right? Okay, so all the materials will be available here. Okay, now, so offline download. So once you become the premium member, then you can download the videos and you can watch even without the internet. Okay, so this is the premium feature in this app. Now friends, if you want to buy a course, then what you have to do, you have to click on buy now, and friends, you have to select your state. So I'm selecting my state, Bihar. Okay, then proceed to payment and buy now. Okay, and then friends, you will be taken to the payment page. So you can use UPI, Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay, net banking, wallet. Okay, so friends, all these features, payment options are available. And if you have any doubt at any point of time, and friends, do not forget to use the coupon code. Okay, friends, here you can see, have doubts regarding the course, even you can talk to the tutor. So we will be directly getting the message, and after applying the new year code, only 384 rupees. So this is complete programming, friends. So for C, data structure, for all your examination, Wipro, Infosys, TCS, Capgemini, you can see the number of videos also, friends. So everything will be completely visible. So more than 208 videos are available. Okay, so friends, these are the features of the app. So it will be very handy, and at any point of time, 24/7 support, helpline support is there. Okay, so no need to worry, friends. Get the courses today, because this offer is available only for today, and you can see the price, 75% discount is really a very big discount, friends. Okay, and this free materials is available. So friends, get it, because this material will also not available for many days. It will be available only for 1 day. So 1st of January only this material will be available. Okay, so get it today, and thank you, friends. So we at Online Study for You are always there to support you at any point of time. Thank you, friends.